Hi and welcome back with another gaming chair review. This is IKEA LÖPARBANA Weasley dark gray color. Overall size, depth 66 cm, height 121 until 131 cm, and width 66 cm. Let's take a closer look. The fabric is smooth and nice to touch. Material using polyester. It is hard and firm. Look at the shape. This is like a lumbar support. Next, the seat padding. It feels thin and hard. There is a lever to adjust the height. Armrest using plastic. It is not too big or wide. Frame using steel. Looks good and strong. There is a gap in here, so you can put blanket and other items. Build quality looks good. Star base using steel. These are the caster. Finally, headrest. You can slide or adjust the padding. Okay, let's try this. So, is it good? If you are looking for comfort, stay away from this chair and forget it. Because this chair is made for sitting, not for comfort. You can see it for yourself. Everything is hard and firm. The lumbar support look-alike shape is also too hard for me. With thin padding like this, it's not really cozy for a long session. Next, the seat is not too big. There is no space left around me. So, if you are bigger than me, you have to think twice. Armrest is okay, but the size and width is too small for me. When I use it in front of the desk, it's pretty good. Sitting position is good. I can reach the desk easily. To adjust the height, just use this lever. You can also lean in here. Just pull the lever to unlock. Not bad. I can relax a bit. Yeah, everything's still too hard. But at least it feels better in this position. The chair is easy to swivel. The caster works fine. I can move easily. How about the headrest? The size is not too big. It is small and thick. You can adjust this by sliding it up or down. Well, it's a bit firm. Depends on your preference. You may like or hate this padding. By the way, you can remove this. Just pull the padding. There is a zipper. You can remove the cover and wash it. The band, green color, is elastic. For me, the headrest is not soft and cozy. Nice build quality, strong and sturdy, easy to move around. Color options. The padding is thin and hard. Durability is still unknown. Basic feature. With price tag around $130. Should you buy this? If you are looking for a chair as a basic function to sit and play or working, maybe this is the one. But if you are looking for comfort, better look at another options. Does it mean this is a bad chair? No, it does not. The build quality is good. It's just a matter of preference. Some people like it hard and firm. Some people like it soft and cozy. Remember, finding a suitable chair is a difficult task. So I suggest you go to IKEA store and try it before you buy. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about IKEA gaming chair, I will leave the link in here. See you later in the next video and bye bye.